Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 11, that is measurement of weight. So, first of all, we will discuss what is the meaning of weight. Now, what is weight? First of all, you must know what is weight. A measure of heaviness of a object is called weight. Means how heavy an object is called its weight. Okay. Now we will discuss some units of weight. Now there are some standard units for measuring weights. First of all, you must know what do you mean by standard units. Standard units are units which are well defined. There are some qualities of standard units. First quality is that it should be well defined. We can define it. Second, standard unit means which is acceptable by all. Standard units are units which are acceptable by all, means which are approved by all, and that doesn't change with space and time. Means standard unit always remains same. It doesn't change with space and time. So these quality must be in standard unit. So standard unit means units which are acceptable by all and which remain same always. Okay. Now we will discuss standard units of weights. Students, standard units gives us exact amount of measurement. Non-standard unit doesn't give exact measurement. For example, weights are measured in kilogram, gram and milligram. Standard unit of measuring weight is kilogram. Second unit is gram and third unit is milligram. Okay, we can write kilogram as kg, gram is small g and milligrams we can write like this, small mg. These are three standard units which are used for measuring weight. Kilogram means kg is standard unit for measuring weight. It is used for measuring heavier objects, like you can measure your vegetables, your bag, etc. These are denoted by kg. We measure weight of an object or our own weight in kilogram. Okay. Second standard unit is gram. It is smaller unit than kilogram. It is used for measuring lighter objects, like you can measure your pencil box, your notebooks, etc. And it is denoted by small g. Third standard unit for measuring weight is milligram. This unit is used for measuring lightest object, which are lightest, means which are lighter than gram. Okay, so this unit is used for measuring lightest object like medicine. Okay, there are some objects which are very lighter, so we can measure their weight by mg, means milligram. So these are three standard unit which are used for measuring weight. Now you know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. We know gram is smaller than kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Similarly, half kg means half kilogram equal to 500 gram. Here half kg, so it will become also half. So half kg is equal to 500 gram. 1 quarter kg is equal to 250 gram. Okay. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Half kilogram is equal to 500 grams. And 1 quarter kg is equal to 250 gram. You must know these units because these are used for measuring vegetables and lot of objects like your books, notebooks, your bags, etc. Okay, so these are three standard units. I am repeating again. First of all, kilogram. Second one is gram. and third one is milligram. Okay, these are three standard units which are used for measuring weight. Now for measuring weight we can use weighing balance. There are many machines which we are using nowadays, so we can use weighing balance. You can see weighing balance on a shop. Okay, and we can use beam balance. Okay, or we can use weighing machine. Nowadays weighing machine is used, electronic weighing machine is being used for measuring weight. So we can use many machines, okay, for measuring weight. Okay, shopkeeper use mostly weighing balance to weigh fruits and vegetables. Now these are three standard units of measuring weight. These are used in your daily life for measuring different kinds of objects. You can use these standard units. Okay, now you can tell me, I am telling you some objects and we will discuss how we can measure these objects. Unit we will use for measuring these objects. For example, first of all, apples. Apples are heavier objects, so we can measure this in kilogram. The unit will be used kilogram. Okay, similarly, if I am saying you want to measure pumpkin, weight of pumpkin, how will you measure its weight? What unit you will use? You will use kilogram, because pumpkin is heavy object. So for heavier objects we will use kilogram. Okay, you can weigh your weight in which unit? In kilogram. Okay, so kilogram is used for measuring heavier objects. Now I am writing some another objects, like if I am saying that you want to measure pen, weight of a pen, then which unit you will use for measuring pen? We can use for measuring pen gram, because pen are lighter. Okay, we need not to measure kilogram. If I am saying you want to measure chalk, then what unit will you use? For this I will again use gram. Okay, so there are some objects which we can measure in gram. For example, you use Lay's. Okay, Lay's packet. Which unit you will use for this? We can use for this gram or milligram. We can use both units. There are some objects for which we can use both units, two units. We can use kilogram and gram. We can use gram and milligram. Okay, there are some objects which we can use. Okay, now if I am saying we want to measure medicine, then which unit is best for measuring medicine? Now medicine is lightest. Okay, medicine is very lighter than other objects, so we can use for measuring medicine milligram. There are some objects which are very light, so we can measure them in milligram. For example, if I am saying you want to measure sugar, now sugar is, we use unit for measuring sugar kilogram, but if the amount is very low we can measure it in gram. Okay, so we can use both gram and kilogram for measuring sugar. Okay, so these are three standard units. I am repeating again: kilogram, gram and milligram, which are used for measuring weight of different objects. Now you must know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Gram is smaller than kilogram, so 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, similarly 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Milligram is lighter, means smaller than gram. Kilogram is bigger, gram is smaller, and milligram is smallest unit for measuring weight. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So for converting kilogram into gram, we have to convert 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Similarly, for converting 1 kilogram into milligram, we have to convert 1 gram into 1000 milligram. You already know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and half kilogram is equal to 500 gram and 1/4 kilogram is equal to 250 gram. Similarly, we can write about 1 gram and milligram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, half gram is equal to 500 milligram and quarter gram is equal to 250 milligram. So these are some standard unit for measuring weight. In our next lecture, we will learn how we can convert bigger unit into smaller and smaller unit into bigger units. Thank you.